Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. Our word of the day is desert. So, what exactly is a desert? Well, simply put, a desert is a large area of land that is very dry and has very few plants. Think sand, heat, and not much water. It's a noun, and it describes a geographical area. We often picture camels and cacti when we think of deserts. You might hear people say, the Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world, or many creatures have adapted to live in the desert. Now, let's explore some words that are similar to desert, also known as synonyms. One synonym is wasteland. A wasteland is a barren area, often with little or no vegetation. For example, the area was a wasteland after the factory closed. Another similar word is barrens. Barrens refer to unproductive land, usually infertile and sparsely vegetated. You might hear, the rocky barrens stretched for miles. Arid land is another great synonym for desert. Arid land signifies land that lacks sufficient moisture. An example of this is, the farmer struggled to grow crops in the arid land. How about wilderness? While not always entirely dry, a wilderness area is often undeveloped and can include desert regions. For instance, the explorers ventured into the vast wilderness. Finally, we have badlands, an area of eroded soft rock and clay soil in a semi-arid climate. The badlands were a stunning sight with their unusual formations. Now, let's flip the coin and look at words that are the opposite of desert, also known as antonyms. The opposite of a dry, barren desert would be a lush, fertile area. So, our first antonym is oasis. An oasis is a fertile spot in a desert where water is found. An example would be, they found a refreshing oasis after days of travel. Next, we have forest. A forest is a large area covered with trees, the opposite of a desert's sparse vegetation. For example, the forest was teeming with wildlife. How about jungle? A jungle is a dense, tropical forest with heavy rainfall, again, the opposite of a dry desert. For instance, the explorers hacked their way through the jungle. Another antonym is wetland. A wetland is an area of land covered with shallow water, like a swamp or marsh. For example, the wetland is an important habitat for birds. And lastly, we have rainforest. A rainforest is a forest with high annual rainfall, offering a sharp contrast to the dryness of a desert. The Amazon rainforest is home to countless species. Now, let's see how we can use desert in everyday conversations. Imagine you're planning a trip. You might say, I've always wanted to visit a desert and see the stars at night. Or perhaps you're talking about the weather. It's so dry here. It feels like we're living in a desert. You might even use it figuratively. For example, my mind is a desert of ideas right now. I can't think of anything. Let's look at some more usage examples. Camels are well adapted to surviving in the desert. The Atacama Desert in Chile is one of the driest places on Earth. They were lost in the desert for 3 days before being rescued. The only signs of life in the desert were a few scattered cacti. The sun beat down mercilessly on the desert landscape. Crossing the desert was a grueling journey. The wind whipped up sandstorms across the desert. The desert nights are surprisingly cold. He dreamed of finding water in the desert. The desert animals have amazing adaptations. So, to recap, a desert is a dry, barren area with little vegetation. We explored synonyms like wasteland, barrens, arid land, wilderness, and badlands, and antonyms such as oasis, forest, jungle, wetland, and rainforest. We also saw how to use desert in everyday conversations. That's all for today's episode of Hello Word. Thank you for joining me. Before you go, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And now, I have a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word desert and share it as a comment below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!